Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day. Today I get to share with you the brand new product kit from Club La La Land Crafts for November 2018. This month's kit is super fun. It's rock and roll themed, and yours will come with a cover sheet. I don't have one just yet, but yours will have a full color sheet, and it'll list the names of your stamp sets here. But this is it. If you're new to the Club La La Land Crafts product kit comes with 2 stamp sets with coordinating themed dies. Club La La Land also offers a stamp kit subscription or a die kit subscription. So there's 3 options. In case you're interested, I'll leave links below for you. But we're going to take a look at our first stamp set. And this is Marcy, and she is super fun. I'm going to ink her up with some Memento ink. I just wanted to show you guys what she looks like, and she is super duper cute. And here she is. She comes with 2 sentiments. You rocked it, and you're a rock star. Super cute. She's holding a little guitar, and I thought that was super fun. We'll clean off this stamp, and we're going to take a look at the second stamp. The second stamp has 3 little rock and roll hippos, which are super adorable. Club La La Land Crafts product kit and stamps are red rubber, so they're quality red rubber, and they stamp beautifully. But we'll take a look at our rock and roll hippos here. You get a little hippo with a drum set, one holding a guitar, and then one holding a little microphone. Super cute, and you get 4 sentiments. It's your birthday, let's rock and roll, rock on, and sing your heart out. Super cute. So those are your 2 stamp sets, and then the coordinating theme dies. I'm actually going to die cut them out to show you what they look like. But you get a little guitar, and that little star in the center pops out, and it's scaled to fit Marcy, which I thought was super fun. So you get that die this month. You also get the rock star sentiment, and there's little dots. And I'm going to pull closer so you can see, but there's little dots and they punch out. So you have a choice of punching them out or just leaving them in there. So that's your little rockstar sentiment. And then you also get a little rose flourish die here. It has 3 little roses. So those are your dies and your stamp sets for the product kit this month. Now, what I like to do, since they are red rubber, I just take my scissors and separate them. It's all about preference. You don't have to do this, but the red rubber cuts beautifully. For me, it just makes it easier to stamp my images and my sentiments. But scissors just work well. After I have all my stamps cut out, we are going to do a project today. For my project, I'm going to be using Marcy, and I thought we'd do some bright, vibrant colors with her. So, and then her hair was super fun to color in. But I'm inking her up with Memento ink. I'm stamping her on some Nina 80-pound cardstock. Both of these are Copic friendly, and I am coloring in Marcy with my Copic markers. Now, I left the caps out for you guys, and I also left the numbers of the markers that I used up on top for you, in case you're interested. But I'm going to play a little bit of music while I color, and when I'm done, I will get you back. Okay, I'm just about done coloring. Now I have to tell you, I colored her hair purple. I know it's a non-traditional color, obviously, but I wanted to make her like a super rock star with that purple hair. And then it made me really nervous when I decided to add a little bit of black for shading. But I think she turned out super fun and super cute. Something that this is my first time ever doing it, but I had a blast coloring in her hair. I used some bright pink colors for her little outfit, but I did use my white gel pen also to color in her eyes. I'm just going to fussy cut her out. Once she's all fussy cut out, I'm going to use my white gel pen again and I went outside the lines in a few areas, but I just cleaned up my messies with my white gel pen. But there she is. We're going to set her aside. Now we're going to work on our background. Keeping with the bright, vibrant theme, I grabbed some Distress Oxide ink. This is Picked Raspberry. And I'm going to go over my panel with my Picked Raspberry. This is actually Strathmore Bristol Smooth Cardstock. But I'm going to add some water droplets and activate a little bit of that ink to give my background a little bit of texture. And then next I'll take some square dies. This is a double stitch square die set from La La Land Crafts. And I'm going to take the largest, cut out my pink background, and then the second from the largest, I'll cut out some black and white diagonal stripe pattern paper. I'm also going to grab some silver cardstock, and I'm going to die cut out my little guitar. Okay, this is my card base. It's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches, and I'm kind of going to arrange how I want my little squares to go. I know I wanted them overlapping a little bit, and then I thought we would stamp our sentiment to the left on top there. So I'm going to grab that, and I chose You Rocked It. I'm going to ink up my sentiment with some VersaFine Onyx Black ink. Using my pattern papers as a guide, I'm going to stamp that kind of in that little section, kind of making it flow right up there. Okay, now I know I'm going to trim down my paper, so I'm going to grab my paper trimmer. You could use scissors using your card base as a guide, but I didn't trust myself, so I thought I'll just pull out the paper trimmer. I trimmed off a little bit off my double stitch square pattern, or my square there, and we're going to go ahead and adhere our guitar along the seam of our distress paper, the cardstock there. Lovely. Now I'm going to flip this little pattern over, and then we're going to add some foam tape behind here, give our card a little bit of dimension. We're just going to remove the release paper and add that directly on our card base. Once that's on there, now I added some glitter to Marcy's hair. This is Silver Moon Dust glitter drops, and I wanted to kind of make her even funner. But when I did that, it kind of broke my heart because it kind of covered up her purple and black hair. But you know what they say, hindsight's 20/20. Maybe I wouldn't have did that. Hindsight. But I still think she looked fun, and the glitter really does stand out. You'll see in the close-ups what she looks like. But I added the silver star that was the inside of my guitar, and then I'm going to add a few extra little star sequins. And then I'm also going to take some gems and add them along the base of the guitar. Is that the base of the guitar or the handle of the guitar? I'm so music illiterate, boy. But that is my project for today. Super cute. Now here's some close-ups. And you can see her hair just sparkling away. So it didn't look too bad, but I think I probably would have skipped the glittery hair. Now, next I also wanted to show you the project that I made for the tutorial. If you are a Club Kit subscriber, this is the card that I made for my tutorial. Now on that cover sheet that you get, there's a link, and it will give you tons of tutorials that are in PDF form, so they're downloadable, and I encourage you to check that out. But this is my second project that I made with the little purple hippo. I thought it was so fun. I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by. Thank you for all your fantastic comments. But I hope you're excited about this kit as I am. I wish you a fantastic day, and we will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.